Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. All times are Eastern Time, so let's get started. There are no trade rooms on Monday. Tuesday at 2 a.m., no trade room, but there is a British jobs report, average earnings, claimant count, at 2 a.m., and we will be watching it. It does have a DMM, but there is no trade room. At 12:30 p.m., we'll start the week at Tuesday for the 10-year bond auction. Then we'll have two events, Oracle's earnings at 3:45 p.m. and the Family Money Trade, the API report. 9:30 p.m., no trade room for Chinese PPI, CPI, but we'll be keeping an eye on that event. Tuesday at 2 a.m., British GDP, manufacturing production. We'll watch that, keep an eye on it, but no trade room. Wednesday, we'll start in the room at 8 o'clock for the all-important core CPI. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories, and then 11:30 a.m. for the WASDE report, a family money trade. Then the big FOMC statement Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Broadcom's earnings, AVGO is the weird symbol, at 3:45 p.m. we'll be in the room, and then the Australian jobs report will finish Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. in the room. Thursday morning at 8 o'clock, core PPI with unemployment claims, natural gas at 10 a.m., 30-year bond auction at 12:30, and Adobe earnings at 3:45 p.m. At 11 p.m., we'll be keeping an eye out for the Japanese Bank of Japan rate decision. That is a no trade room. That event does not always release at the time it shows on the calendars. And our final event of the week will be at 9:30 a.m. on Friday, preliminary University of Michigan. A good way to end the week with a pretty important report, an inflation report. So look, learn about what we're doing by making your way into the trade room. You can become a member right off of the WMM report, www.jobbsoftware.com. You can become a member for 3 months at an incredible deal. We'd love to see you. Trades are exciting, profitable, and it's a great way to trade the markets. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you in the trade room.